Hello friends, welcome to iExamP. This is Vidhika, your law faculty at iExamP, and in this video we are going to discuss about Central Bank of India law officer recruitment which was announced recently. Now today is 2nd of December and the exam is on 22nd of January. So you still have 50 days in hand to prepare for this exam, and that is what we are going to discuss in this video. We will focus on a 50-day strategy to prepare for this exam. Subscribe to our channel to get updated information relating to any government exams. You can write to us any of your query at hello@iexamp.com, or you can call us on this number which is mentioned on the screen. So as I have already mentioned, Central Bank of India Law Officer Scale 2, this was a recruitment which was announced recently, and in this video we are going to discuss a 50 days preparation strategy, how you can prepare for this exam. Let's have a look at the important dates. The online registration for filling the exam form started on 23rd of November, and the last date for filling the online application form is 17th of. So if you have still not filled the form, go and fill the form, and the tentative date for online exam is on 22nd of January. If you look at the eligibility criteria, the age should be between 20 years to 35 years. In education, you require a law degree, bachelor degree in law, and there is a post-qualification experience required. Since this is a direct recruitment to Scale 2, you should be enrolled as an advocate with Bar Council and have 3 years experience of practice at bar or judicial service, or you can have 2 years experience as a law officer in a legal department of scheduled commercial banks, of state or central government, or of a public sector undertaking. And then you should also produce a certificate of having the requisite post-qualification experience. So the minimum requirement for this exam is your law degree and then an experience of 2 or 3 years. Now coming to the exam pattern, the selection will be through online written test and personal interview, and in the online test you will have 3 subjects: stream or category specific questions, that is law questions, and there will be 60 questions of 60 marks. Then the second subject is computer knowledge, and the third is banking, present economic scenario, and general awareness, 20 questions of 20 marks. So this is the exam pattern. Now the first question that comes to mind to every aspirant is where to begin, where to start your preparation from. And the first thing that you should do is you should sit down and make a strategy for yourself. Think about your strong areas, about your weak areas, read the subjects, read the syllabus, and think what are the topics which needs to be covered, what all is included in the syllabus, and what has more weightage. Then plan for yourself. Make a plan, make a study plan. Plan these are the topics you will cover in the next week, in the next day, in the next month, and manage your time based on what you have thought, what you have planned. So this is the entire strategy that you should make for yourself, depending upon your strong points, depending upon your personal knowledge. In this video, I am going to propose a strategy which you can modify based on your own requirements and prepare for this exam accordingly. We have started this video saying a 50-day strategy. So today in this video, we are going to discuss how much time we should devote, how we can plan our work to complete the entire syllabus and be prepared for the exam in these 50 days. So as you can see, there were 3 subjects. So there are 3 parts to this exam. First is your general awareness, in which there are 20 questions of 20 marks. Then there is computer knowledge, 20 questions, 20 marks, and stream specific, that is law, 60 questions, 60 marks. So this part holds a very high weightage. 60% weightage is given to law, 20% to computer, and 20% to GA. Now the question comes, how much time should you devote, how much should you study, and how should you divide your time? So that is what we are going to discuss in the upcoming slides. It is advised that you should at least devote 7 to 8 hours per day. Now since this is direct Scale 2 recruitment and there is experience required, so assuming that you all are working professionals, it is very difficult to devote 7 to 8 hours per day. So what you can do is you can devote 4 to 5 hours per day on the weekdays during the time when you are going to office, and then during the weekends increase this time to 9 to 10 hours. Now it is your hard work, your dedication, your consistency by which you can complete the syllabus and do well in this exam. It is very much possible to complete the syllabus, to prepare for this exam in these 50 days, and it is on you how you can do it. It's your dedication by which you can do this. The second thing that you should do is follow the syllabus. So first of all, whenever you start preparing for any exam and even for CBI legal, look at the syllabus. I have already discussed in detail the syllabus for all the three subjects in a separate video, and you can find the link of that video in the description below. Go through the syllabus thoroughly, note down the important topics that must be covered from the syllabus, and then at the end, revise, and revise whatever you are studying. Revision is the key. If you read it one time, you won't be able to retain it. So you'll have to revise the GA, the computer, law, again and again. All of these are theoretical subjects, and revision is the key to appear to clear any of the exam. Now coming to the first topic, that is general awareness, the advisable strategy is to read thoroughly and revise on a regular basis. Now what you can do is, at iExamB, we provide you with weekly and monthly GA PDFs, and we call them BPedia. You can download those BPedias, you can take their printouts and then study the GA from those areas. Study 6 to 7 months GA. So if the exam is on 22nd of January, you should at least cover GA from June. The next thing is study GA for 2 to 3 hours daily. Since GA is a very vast topic, you will have to devote time for those 20 marks, and thus you'll have to study GA on a regular basis to make yourself aware for the past 6 months GA. Now if you look at the BPedias, at the weekly BPedias, they are about 20 to 22 pages document, and if you devote 2 to 3 hours daily, you can complete this weekly BPedia in a matter of 1 or 2 days. In this way, you can complete 1 month GA in a matter of 4 to 5 days. So once you are done with this monthly BPedia, monthly GA, suppose you do GA for the month of June. So once you are done with the June GA in a matter of 4 to 5 days, in a week, on the weekend, revise this topic, revise this month GA, and then move to the next month. And since it is the month of December, on the weekends also go through the weekly GAs for that weekend. In this way, you can follow the preparation for general awareness. Then coming to computer knowledge, your second subject, again there are 20 questions from this subject, and this is very general and requires very basic understanding of various computer topics. The syllabus, as I have already mentioned, I have already discussed in a video. You can check out that video for the syllabus. For this, what you have to do is you have to read important topics, concepts, and again I am pointing out here, revise them. Whatever you are reading in the week, revise them. You can study computer knowledge for 1 to 2 hours daily, or you can modify it according to your time available. What you can do is you can study computer either on the weekends. Suppose you are devoting 3 to 4 hours on the weekends, and on the weekdays you are studying law and GA. Or you can also devote 2 to 3 hours on an alternate day basis and revise on the weekends. So this is up to you how you can modify this based on your requirements. The next is the most important topic, that is your stream, that is your law, because it holds the maximum weightage in the exam. There are 60 questions of 60 marks. So 60% of subject of the syllabus is from law. Now for this, what you should do is, and this is a must, what you should do is study all the important acts thoroughly, all the important topics from which the questions are expected, that you should know thoroughly, and study law for 4 to 5 hours daily. Now you can study this for 4 to 5 hours on a daily basis, or you can study on the weekdays for 3 to 4 hours and increase the time on the weekends. And also it depends upon how much topics you already know, whether you are preparing for any other exam and there you have studied some of the topics, or whether you are strong in some of the laws, in constitution, in civil laws, in criminal laws. So this entirely depends upon your expertise, your area of interest, which you already know, and then you can spend more time on the areas which you are less aware of, which needs more practice, which needs more learning and revision. And start with the most important acts, attempt its questions, and then move to the next. So since it is bank recruitment, here banking laws become very important. Banking Regulation Act, RBI Act, then there is Negotiable Instrument Act, and then there is SARFAESI Act. So all these are very important. Start with these and then move to next laws. So in this way, make your preparation strategy, make your timetable. practice is the important key. So attempt mock test weekly. So what you can do is you can attempt one mock test weekly in the first 4 weeks, and then you can attempt 2 mock tests in a week. And once you have attempted the mock test, do not forget to analyze your performance in the mock test, because that is the main purpose of the mock test. It will give you an exam like environment and will help you check your tendency to bear the pressure of the exam. At iExamB, we provide you Central Bank of India Law Officer Scale 2 online course. You can check out that course. You can find the link of that course in the description below. In this, we take video lessons, study notes, practice tests, live sessions, and interview guidance as well. Also, we provide you IBPS SO Law Officer Comprehensive Online course, in which we provide you with all these things. IBPS SO exam is also still active. It is soon going to come. On 26th of December we have prelims, and on 30th of Jan we have mains. All those who are preparing for both these exams, this is a very good opportunity to be a law officer in banking institution. And as I have mentioned, we are conducting live sessions at iExamB. All the topics in orange have already been covered in the month of November, and the ones in green are currently ongoing, and the rest of the topics will be covered soon. So these are the topics that are planned to be covered in the month of December. These are the topics that will be covered in the month of January. We are targeting to wrap up the syllabus by 15th of Jan, so that you have ample time of revision. And once we are done with the syllabus, we will restart the classes for the topics which have already been covered in the month of November. So you will get a comprehensive preparation. You can bring up your doubts in the classes. We discuss MCQs, we discuss important sections. You can join the live sessions and take these classes for your benefit, for your revision, and for your understanding as well. At iExamB, we are also providing SEBI Grade A Legal online course, and the new batch for that course is going to start on 7th of December. As per the information that have been received by us, the SEBI Grade A Legal online exam is expected to be conducted in the month of February. So you are left with 2 to 3 months for your preparation. The new batch is going to start from 7th of December. If you are interested in this course, you can call us on this number which is mentioned on the screen, or you can directly visit our website www.iexamb.com. As I have time and again mentioned, do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get updated information. Thank you so much.